Hello everyone, this is Opu from Opu Art. I'm back with the new project. It's called Sci-fi Modular Road Network. So you are seeing from the Substance Painter. These are the components of the road network. So these are the blocks. I mean the block. I have 6 blocks, and here are 20 components you can find in this pack. So the big road, block 5, block 4, maybe 6, you will find total 6 blocks and other components like a block with the greenery, and also this section is for the road construction, and this section is the blocks, so you can arrange it according to your needs. And also you can find two assets. It's called road arch, and also a lamppost is there. So also you can find some materials like a stair there, and also the upper platform there. So it's a simple modular asset for the sci-fi road creation. It's actually linked up with my previous project, that is sci-fi buildings. If you follow that project, you will understand that what I'm going to create actually. So you can find 20 assets. I usually do 20 assets in a pack. And this is from the Substance Painter. So I will continue in Unity first, and then finally Unreal. So keep watching. So I will go to the Unity. Thank you. Okay, this is part 2 for the modular road pack asset. So this is from Unity. You can see here the same assets in Unity. So this is from HDRP, Unity HDRP. So I arranged it. You can see here the actual mesh of that modular pack. And you can find here all the textures. Textures are 4K. So I usually do 4K. I export and use a 4K textures. 4K textures is more than enough for using a project or a game, I think. And here you can find the materials. So all the materials are here. As you can see, the assets are working properly. So here are 20 assets, comes with 20 materials. Okay. And here is also, it comes with the prefabs. Prefabs are very necessary components for any game creation project. So far I always create the prefabs. So what you can do, maybe I will show you something that maybe you can drag and drop a prefab, and prefab will come in your viewport like that. And all the prefabs are with the glider attached. So you just need to use this asset pack in your project. So you can use it, and you can make any kind of sci-fi blocks with this. according to the asset pack, allow you to create. You can create a huge block, or you can create a small block, and you can merge them and create a city layout maybe. So what you can create actually, I have a sample scene. I can show you that with this 20 assets so far, what you can create. So here is the scene, right? So I have two scene in this pack. This is a sci-fi modular road pack components. These are the components. Yeah, these are the components, and this is the actual road network. These are this is the sample scene. So you can create click on that, and this is the scene. If I go and maximize view, you see this is what you can create with this asset. This is a huge square block, city block. So you can see here the road networks and the blocks and the road arches. If I go for I view, you can do like this. Okay, so it's a pretty basic low poly city layout, and this is a sci-fi kind of a bridge, you can say. The bridge is with a emissive map, and also the stairs and the upper platform for the buildings. Right now the buildings, no buildings there, only the blocks and the road network. So that's why it requires buildings to arrange on the blocks, and also some trees there to make it as a garden, or a some open space for this. So you can use it as a low poly game assets, and you can use it for RTS kind of games. Those kind of games require some this type of platforms. So you can use it in a RTS environment. So this is what you can create with my modular pack. So this is an example assets coming with with this pack. So this is totally game ready, and I hope you like it and you will follow my my creation process in up to Unreal. So Unity users, you can use it in your projects, like an RTS game or any kind of first-person game. Also, it can be used as a sci-fi environment. So okay, so this is from Unity. Now I will continuing in the Unreal. So this is HDRP, Unity HDRP. So follow me and keep watching till the end. Thank you. Hi everyone. So this is the last part, I mean part 3 with the Unreal, the game, the modular road pack. So you are seeing the part 3. I'm in the Unreal Engine 5.3. So you are seeing the same components. So 20 components is there. These are the blocks, and also the road components is there. So as like the Unity, Unreal is working properly. So you can see here I have two maps is there. So I will show you the contents. So as like the Unity, here are the textures. All the textures are 4K, and the materials is there. So 20 assets come with 20 materials, and also you can find, as always in with my projects, you can find the prefabs. So 20 prefabs. So what you can do, you just drag and drop, and you see the pivot is centered. Pivot is centered. So in Unreal, pivot arrangement is sometimes a bit hassle for users. So all the assets come up with the corrected pivot. So you don't need to worry about the pivot position and all that. So you can see, yeah. Okay. So this asset pack is also ready for use in a game environment. So the same asset I'm showing you. So you will find a prefab folder, you will find materials, and also obviously the textures folder. Now I'll show you the sample map. Yes, if I go for the maximize view, yes, you can see the same road layout, a city layout, you can say, in the Unreal as well. And all the components, all the assets are working properly. So if you can just imagine that you are walking or driving, so through the arch, you can go like this. Yeah. So this asset is, like I said before, this asset is appropriate for any kind of RTS platform, sci-fi platform. So right now there is only blocks and roads, no buildings, no other components. So you have to arrange. So what you can do, with the components, you can expand or minimize. You can delete a part of this layout, and if you want to expand, then you can expand from anywhere. Like a Lego set, the assets will react, and you can create small layouts, medium layouts, or it's a kind of a huge layout you can create. So it's a city layout you can create. You can increase the city arch, and also one thing I forgot with the where it is. Yeah. Oh, the lights, the lamppost, you can arrange it with the prefabs. You can arrange according to the roads. So a lot of things needs to do. So it's just I'm showing a sample actually. So you can create this kind of layout. So it's amazing to see the road layouts, and it will be complete when the buildings and the full city network is gonna build. So this is actually my second step, create a city layout. My first project was a sci-fi building pack. So whoever watching this, please watch the sci-fi building creation process also. So I will come back again. My plan is to create a complete sci-fi city layout. You will see in in near future actually. So please support me and keep subscribing me, and please stay with me. I will come again and again with this kind of stuffs. And if you need this asset, you can text me, or you can go to my asset links. The links are in my channel description, so you can go there and purchase this asset. Your every purchase will give me new motivation. So please do purchase an asset and use this asset. So your if I notice that you purchase and use it in your projects, and then show me a screenshot, that will give me a new motivation actually. So thank you all. Please do subscribe my channel.